Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to play Stake in the UK. As you probably know, Stake is blocked in several countries, including the UK. If you try to visit the site, you will see an error message like this one. So, how do you unblock Stake? The answer can be summed up in 3 letters: VPN. A VPN is an app that lets you change your IP address and therefore your virtual location. Once it's activated, your connection is routed through a server located in another country. Personally, I use NordVPN. There are many countries available, such as Canada or Switzerland, places where Stake is accessible. Let's choose Switzerland, for example. It's connecting. And there we go. I'm now connected to the internet virtually from Switzerland. If I go to this page, you can see that I now have a Swiss IP address. Now, all you have to do is refresh the page, and you will be able to access Stake. You can now log in or create an account if you don't have one yet and start using the platform. I've shown you how to do this on a computer, but it works exactly the same way on a smartphone or tablet. The iOS and Android apps are very similar. As you've seen, to unblock Stake, you need a VPN. If you want to try NordVPN, go to vpnfolio.com/nord or click the link below this video. It's one of the most popular VPNs on the market. It's fast, secure, and offers thousands of servers in 129 countries. It works on Windows, macOS, iOS, Android, and many other devices, and you can use it on multiple devices at the same time. Most importantly, it comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can try the service completely risk-free. If NordVPN isn't the right fit for you, you can also consider Proton VPN, which is another excellent option for accessing Stake from the UK. Proton VPN is a secure, fast, and reliable VPN with servers in 129 countries. Like NordVPN, it's very affordable and also offers a money-back guarantee, so you can test the service without any risk. To try it, visit vpnfolio.com/proton or click the link in the description. That's it for today. Now you know how to access Stake from the UK. As you've seen, it's very simple. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. I will reply as soon as possible. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching and see you next time.